This conveyor easily removes unwanted tomatoes by using sensor separation. This guy has a unique skill in opening 30 bottles of soda in seconds. This is the process of extracting pineapple juice from fresh pineapples. This donut maker carefully fried and manually injected sweet jellies to make more tasty donuts. This food machine conveyor is programmed to slice tuna perfectly for sushis. This sausage factory easily produces thousands of sausages in a day. This food handler easily flips over the donuts to ensure of having an equal amount of chocolate coating. This guy carefully monitored every stage of making best rolled sandwich. This guy constantly follows the movement of this machine to produce the best quality candies. These food workers carefully transfer the fresh ingredients to give more taste of this product. This food operator easily cooked the fresh flatbread in seconds. This baker easily applies icing by using a rotating plate machine. This unique shredded machine easily shredded any kinds of fruits and vegetables. This food operator equally put the amount of ice cream in the plastic container. This lady carefully sliced fresh dough to make a delicious noodles. This guy is very talented in making a barbecue in the most efficient way. This guy is using a wooden paddle that removes the unwanted moist of this fresh butter. This guy has a unique talent for chopping vegetables with his consistency.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Another talented vegetable cutter nearly cuts vegetables like a machine as a result. This guy carefully cooked this beaten egg in a heated wok to produce egg wrapper. This food machine easily peels off the coconut in just a matter of seconds. This factory produces a huge variety of aloe vera products.